Ender, are you all right?
Ever since you came back, hindi ako natahimik. I want you to leave me alone.
Look around you. You leave me alone.
I thought we could move past everything. I thought that we've both moved on from the past. But what you are doing with Erim, you've crossed the line. Kaya ngayon, maghanda ka na. Hindi ako titigil. I won't stop until I finally destroyed you.
Akala mo ba naiintindihan ko kung bakit ka nagagalit?
What are you saying?
Binigyan kita ng pagkakataong magsabi ng totoo, but you chose to lie to me.
Who do you think you are para diktahan ako? Sino ka ba? Sino?
Erim is my son, right? Makikita ko rin sa DNA test. Sabihin mo na sa akin.
Kinamumuhian kita. How dare you! From now on, I will do everything I can. Anything at all to take you down.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. Remember that, Ender. Remember that.